Clark from the logo, her first run downtown, and she drains it. Are you kidding me? Clark steps away from Filia and barely hits iron.
And so without Sonano on the floor and O'Grady inside.
Amy Dilk is now into the game, and her pass is picked off, and an easy one for Clark.
Filia has done a very good job guarding Caitlin Clark. Until now, that's why you don't let her catch it.
Another deep three for Clark, her second. She's got 10 points in 12 minutes.
Get the floor spread.
Clark pulls up, deep three, and hits it. Under 2 minutes to go. Clark will try again. And again!
Come on! 2001 and the Wade Trophy winner. It was amazing.
You're saying there's a little Caitlin Clark
I see it.
on the Jackie Stiles tree? After 20 in the first half. Steps back off the cross and hits it.
On cue.
Her parents trying to rev up the crowd. Brent and Ann.
You got to shadow her, you got to stop her, you got to stay between her and the basket.
Steps back outside the line.
And
triple number 6. Warnock with the box. Clark pulls up in traffic and hits it.
She looks at Bluter. Bluter says, number 1. I guess that means call your own number, Caitlin.
Number 1. Creates some space. Steps back and knocks down another one.
You gonna flop?
Number 8, and she's got 34. And here she comes.
Infectious personality. The Cami Etheridge
With Oregon 6 games behind, so the Cardinal will be one to reckon with. Big hand for Sonano.